Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm here again skiing with my bird. Look at my bird, guys. So today is December 28th, early in the morning, around 8. Around 8, and our bird are everywhere. So it's very cool, guys. So I have to check my bird early in the morning so they can have food. We can keep walking that daily. Yeah, so my husband was holding the GoPro this time because I have a hard time doing the two things. Feeding the bird and have a GoPro is not great. So yeah, it's funny, guys. You know, they're used to it for me. So all my subscribers and viewers, thank you very much. You know, I'm gonna do a lot of vlogging, guys, for you guys. You know, so you can see all here what temperature here. The temperature today is 17 degrees, and it's ski, you know, and nice, and the sun is out again. You know, it's perfect. So my bird. All right, guys, here. See, oh my goodness, I cannot get enough with my bird. You know, it's really something. It's amazed me how these chickadee are. You know, I think all the peanuts on my head is all gone. So they're following me. They're they're used to me. You know, it's really amazing for me. Yeah. So we just do skiing and feeding a bird. All right, guys, I will and you. They're gonna follow me, guys. They're really cute. Come on, sweet. Dami nila, guys, no. Nakakatuwa itong mga ibon na. Sige na, guys, kasi mag-ski ako eh. Come on. Iano ko na lang to na. Ang hirap pag may hawak akong GoPro tapos may hawakan pa akong gloves. Tapos may peanut pa. Tapos, come on. Yun. So, sunod na yan. Sana susunod sa akin, guys. Kahit lakad ako ng lakad. Come on. So, ngayon, guys, yung gagawin ko, mag-ski. Come on. Let's go. Yan. Hawak ko lang tong gloves ko, guys. Pero, iko-control ko yung ski ko. Yan. Nagsiski ako. Pero, iko-control ko lang. I-ano ko lang siya. Mag-brake lang ako. Gayon lang yung pag-brake, guys. I-open mo lang yung legs mo. Yan, gayon. Gayon, guys. Gayon, ano. Gusto mo mag-fade? Gayon mo yan. Yan. Tapos, yan, gayon. I-brake mo. Parang i-open mo yung legs mo. So, yan. Skiing again. Yung mga ibon ko, yun, diparan. Come on, honey. Come on. Tuloy ang kanilang, filming. Yung iba naman ay busog na yung mga ibon, guys. Tingnan mo, daming, yun ay mouse trap. Yan, mouse trap, oh. That's a mouse trap, and then I think I don't know what's that other one. I think that's a porcupine trap. I don't know for sure. There's a lot of wild animals in here. Not just like All right, dear, we're gonna go that way, honey. Do you wanna go that way? Let's go.
Is that off or on?
No, it's on. It's on. I'll do it anyway because yan, guys. Bababa ako, guys. Yan. Pag gayon ka mag-speed, pag gayon, guys, pag sobra to siyang madulas, okay? Pero pag na-control mo naman yung na-control mo yung speed mo, okay lang yan. Woo! Oh my goodness. Tapos sobrang no. Oh my goodness, I made it down. Hopefully you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Whew. Look at that, having fun. My husband.